If I don't make this one, guys, I want everybody to unsubscribe. Ha, I made it, so nope, nobody unsubscribes. Alright, pranksters, this one will settle everything. So they're both tied. Elmer's Glue has 1, Crazy Art has 1. So this will settle everything. Here goes. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. So a few videos ago I showed you guys how to make some toys in the classroom using school supplies. Well, a lot of you guys thought that those were hard to make and that you guys wouldn't have enough time to do it, and that overall it was hard. So I'm trying to simplify it for you guys because I don't want you guys being bored in class. Yeah, I know the classroom is for learning and to gain new knowledge, but sometimes you finish your work early, right? And you have nothing to do. Well, you can either read a book or you guys can have some fun with the school supplies you probably already have. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to have some fun in your desk during class using school supplies. So before we begin, guys, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel with the bell notifications turned on. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. 1,000 likes are appreciated. And check it out. Next time you guys are bored in class and maybe you have a buddy next to you that's also bored, that finished his work early, well, why not race them? Just take out your glue stick and his glue stick and have them race. And let me show you how. Alright, so here I set my 3-ring binder. This would be our little ramp, and it's gonna help us with our little glue stick race. So basically you and your friend load up your glue sticks on top of the 3-ring binder and just let go at the same time. What matters is which glue stick goes the furthest. So let's see. Haha. Wow, they fell off the table. Okay guys, new rule. Whoever gets to the other binder on the other side wins. No cheating, so you have to release your glue sticks at the same time. Here goes. Oh, Elmer's Glue beat Crazy Art. Okay, one more time. I think Crazy Art won that one. Alright, pranksters, this one will settle everything. So they're both tied. Elmer's Glue has 1, Crazy Art has 1. So this will settle everything. Here goes. That's a tough call, but I think Elmer's Glue won. Either way, guys, it's a lot of fun, so try it out for yourselves. Challenge a buddy. Maybe if your glue stick has less glue in it, it'll be lighter, so it'll get there faster. I don't know. Come up with a strategy. Alright guys, so I have 2 pencils right here, which I'm gonna have some fun with. Also, I have a roll of tape. The smaller the tape, the harder this is, so I recommend a bigger roll like this. It's quite easy to do, guys. Let me show you. You can challenge somebody or just challenge yourself, guys. Just put the tape through one of the pencils and try to swing it onto the other pencil. Just like this. Oh, yeah, it's kind of hard, right? So maybe one of your friends is on the other side of the room. You can throw it at them. Hopefully they catch it if they're skilled enough. Oh, almost had it. You just gotta get the hang of it, guys. Oh. So yeah, guys, just swing it up. Try to catch it. And as you guys can see, I'm not that good. But it is challenging me, and I'm killing off some time at the same time. So. There. Haha, I'm getting the hang of it, somewhat. See, it's not that hard, guys. You just gotta know. Try it out, guys. You'll have lots of fun. Here's another very common and very basic school supply. This is a little eraser. What I like about these is that they bend, so you can manipulate that, guys, to have some fun. Let me show you how. For that, you're also gonna need little eraser caps. Basically, you're gonna hit them with the bigger eraser. Let's try it out. Here's how it would work, guys. You set your eraser on a table, and then you get your other eraser, the big one, you bend it, and then flick the eraser cap like this. So it does have a bit of power, so now you can use that to your advantage and have some fun. And we're gonna use some glue sticks as target practice. Here's my eraser. Here's my other eraser. And then I'm gonna hit it. Oh, I got it. If you got these two, try it out, guys. Oh, miss. Yeah, it would be more challenging if they were further away. But remember, you have a small table, a small desk. So your space is limited as far as what you can do on your desk. Alright, let's try more erasers. Oh, right through. I'm missing every shot, guys. Ah, didn't put enough power on that one. Ha, got it. One more. This will do it. Nope. Oh, it's too strong. It's too heavy. That one's a full glue stick. That's why. Got it. Haha. Or if you guys don't like a challenge, just throw the eraser at it. Yeah, everybody has one of these, I think. This is a 3-ring binder. Let me open it up for you guys. See, it's got 3 rings. I'm gonna show you 2 cool methods that you guys can use this to have some fun in class. For this first one, we're gonna be playing basketball. That's right, guys. We're gonna use the rings as little hoops. But I'm actually gonna use a bigger binder because this would be kind of hard. The rings on here are kind of small. So the other binder would be perfect for that. All right, well, here's my 3-ring binder, guys. Yeah, this is an old beat up one that I've used in many videos before. But look, if you have a page on the pocket on the right of the rings, you guys can label each ring as far as points. Now the lowest one is actually the easiest one, and then it gets harder as you go up. So, for example here, this would be a 1 point. This middle one would be 2 points. And this third one, of course, would be 3 points. So that's our goal right there, guys. Those are our points that we're trying to make. So if you're in class, you just lift up your binder and then just grab your sticky notes and make some paper balls from the sticky note. And that's it, guys. Once you've made your balls, just shoot at the little rings, which are our hoops. Just watch. Oh, I missed. I hit the rim, I think. Did that go in? I didn't see it. Oh. That's a 2 point. Oh, can't get the 3 point. I gotta make a 3-pointer. Ha! Got it. Got that. And that. See? You can get good as you go, guys. Or you can get worse as you go. Oh, 2 points? If I don't make this one, guys, I want everybody to unsubscribe. Ha, I made it, so nope, nobody unsubscribes. 3-pointer. Oh. 3-pointer. Okay. 3-pointer. Oh, 2. Okay, I'll settle for 2. 1 point. 1 point. 2 point. Oh, actually it went through both. Huh. Can it go through all of them? Can it? It would have to. That'd be hard for it to go through all of them. That would be like 6 points. Anyway, you guys can have a lot of fun playing basketball in class. Here I'm gonna show you how to make an awesome shooter using the rings. You're gonna need a rubber band like this. And all you guys gotta do is open up the rings. I'm gonna choose the center and the one on the side, and then I'm gonna close it. And that's it. I got myself a launcher. Watch, let me load up the pencil. Now guys, if you do this, please do not shoot at anybody. You guys can shoot at empty spaces where you know nobody's at. But look. Haha, how cool is that, right? Fire! How about some target practice, huh? Let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna be using glue sticks as our target practice. So over there I have 3 glue sticks. I'm gonna try to knock them out with my launcher, my 3-ring binder launcher. So let's try it out, guys. Well, here goes. Oh, wow, I got 2 with that one. Let's see if I can knock down the last one with this pencil. Oh, I hit my computer screen. No, I won't miss this time. Oh, I got it. That was a great shot right there. Let's see that in slow motion. Awesome. And those were some ways that you guys can use your school supplies to have some fun in the classroom next time you're bored with your teacher's lecture. No, I'm just kidding. Next time you finish your work early and you have nothing to do that, guys. Play with your school supplies, kill off some time. The day will go by faster when you're having fun. If you enjoyed what I just showed you guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel and have all bell notifications turned on. I still have some prank videos coming up, pranks that you guys can do in class. Also some how to sneak food into class videos, part 20 and possibly 21. So you don't want to miss out. Subscribe now and turn on all bell notifications. I'll also be replying to the first people that comment on my next video. Even if it is just the first comment. You know what I mean? People say first even though they're not first. Anyway guys, try to show up early to my videos. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll be seeing you pranksters in my next video. Alright pranksters, if you guys want to see more life hacks like the ones I just showed you, click up here. Now if you guys are interested in pranks, click up here. Go ahead guys, click on either one of them. I'm waiting.